Hello everyone, it's Marky. How's it going, everybody? I found all 3 sets of the new Team Transports that showed up at my Target. I can't believe this time I finally got the whole set all at once. So this one brings a Toyota Supra. It's a 2021 Supra, a Volkswagen Idr, and the Corvette C8r. Let's go ahead and open all these up, unbox these. Already slit the part of the bubble. The packaging is pretty nice. Really nice packaging. Wow, so this one's the 2021 Toyota Gr Supra. It comes in this glossy white color. We do have some red and black decorations on it. Really nice graphics. It looks great all around. We do have the side view mirrors. We do have wipers on there, on that windshield. The glass is clear. Tall bucket seats in there. We do have a left side driver, so just like we drive in America on the left side. Beautiful stripes on the side here. Look at that fat red stripe. And it covers the back as well. Really nice. These come with a metal base and then a metal body and rubber tires. No treads on these tires. They're all slick. And it looks like we have 10 or 12 spokes. Let's get up close there. Really nice grille, beautiful lights. Toyota badge right in the middle. We have the GR. Get ready, G ready. And the GR on the side. A couple more badges there, or logos. Nice Toyota badge in the middle with the Supra name. Beautiful lights. See the exhaust on the bottom here? 2 pipes, 1 on each side. Beautiful. Here's the top view. And a side view. Little 3/4 view right there. And the front end. Let's bring it up a little closer. What an awesome looking Supra. Toyota Supra. It's a beauty. Let's check out the base. A 2021 Toyota Gr Supra. Copyright 2020. Made in Thailand. And you see how the base fits here in the front. And you get that little piece there. And then that grill in there looks like it's plastic. And on the back, seems to come up all the way up to here, all die-cast. So all this is metal. Pretty heavy car. Beautiful. And of course it comes with the transport. This transport buddy is the Aero Lift. We do have the wipers molded there on the glass. Beautiful glass on the lights on the front. Really cool grille. Some vents and some really nice lights on the bottom there. Some parking lights and some fog lights. You have the GR on top. Couple more lights up there painted in. Really cool. Really, really cool. Nice door with the handle right under that black stripe. And it's really nicely outlined. Got a little scratch back here. So all this is metal. And this white part here is plastic. This one on top, this is metal. This right here is metal. The cab is all metal. Nice die cast. And then this, just the bed, is plastic. And let's see, how does this work? I guess it slides out. Yeah. So you can see it just slides. There we go. And he makes his way up. Let's get a little closer so you can see that. There we go. And I guess you can, my desk is not even, so it's a little bit lopsided. And he fits right on there. And lift it and slide it back in there. Yeah, I guess right there, right? There you go. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Here's the side view of the truck. This one has some really nice wheels on it. Those red and black stripes on the side. Very, very cool. Here's the top view. The bed is really nice. A lot of details on it, even though it's plastic. That is really cool. Wow, very nice, very nice. What a nice set. Man, I really like it. And then I also picked up this one right here. Now they all have the same cards on the back. They all look like this on the back, just different on the front. Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport is the series. These are copyrighted 2020. Now I'm not sure if these are from last year or they just made it late into our area, but I had not seen these all year, so to me it's brand new. And they just showed up at Target. Let me know if your Target is just getting these in, or have you seen these before? This one is the Volkswagen Idr with an aero lift in black, so it's the same truck, different car. And I gotta tell you, the graphics on the cards are really beautiful. Really beautiful. You can see the track back there, racetrack, very nice. Let's move over the Supra. And let's open up the Volkswagen. Volkswagen Idr. There we go. Top view on the Volkswagen looks amazing. Really nice combination of black and blue. And you can see how the blue here fades into a lighter, very light blue. Doesn't really fade, it just, I guess it's two different colors. No fading, just two different colors up against each other. Really cool Volkswagen badge on the roof there. That looks great. All metal on the base. Look at this. Looks like a hammerhead in the front. Like a hammerhead shark. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's check out those badges on the side here. Just electric. Wow. I'm starting to get a lot of electric cars lately. Wow, this is plastic. I thought this was metal. This is all plastic, this wing. This whole wing and this support right here is all plastic. This is plastic right here. And then diecast around here. Nope, this is all plastic as well. All the way to there. The blue is metal. And this black area is all metal. So we have plastic glass, plastic top, plastic wing. It is a beautiful car though, wow. I wonder how it feels to drive one of these. If it's a rough ride or a smooth ride. And on the base here, we have the Volkswagen Idr right on top. Copyright 2019 Mattel, made in Thailand. And a Hot Wheels badge right there, or logo. Again, with the rubber tires, metal body and metal base and the metal body. So metal on metal and real riders, which are rubber tires. We call them real riders. Sweet. Man, it's a nice race car. See how they look side by side. Ooh, very cool. Supra and a Volkswagen. Look at that. Wow, they look so cool. Wow. Amazing. All right, so here's the Aero lift in black. Just like the other one. Plastic top or a bed. And wait a minute. This part here, is it metal? This part here is plastic. The other one is different, I think. Yeah, this one is metal. Oh, wow, they changed that. Isn't that something? This part is metal. Or was I tricked here? Oh, no. Is it? I can't tell now. Feels like metal to me. Maybe it's plastic. I gotta take a really good close look at it. Let me see. Oh, maybe that part is plastic. I didn't realize it. Here it's really obvious. It looks really like plastic and it feels like plastic. I think the paint on it really throws me off. It feels different. Aero lift, 2018 Mattel. Looks like the same casting. And it's stamped P40 as well as the other one. Flat black on that one and a glossy black on this one. Tires are different. I mean, the wheels and tires are very similar. I think they're the same tires. Different wheels. Couple of Aero lift trucks. Very nice. And there we go. Black and blue and white and red. White, black, and red. White, black, and blue. So cool. So cool. They look amazing. Now let's open up the last one. Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Team Transport. The Corvette C8r. And this one's called the Carry-On. Go ahead and get him out of the package here. Wow, that looks nice. Here's what it's going to look like when he's displayed with the car. Pretty cool. Man, this truck looks amazing. And the C8r looks so good. All right, so now this one was available in the main line in a yellow as well, but this one comes with a metal body. So it's gonna look different. It's got the rubber slicks on it. It's got the 10 or 12 spokes on there. Oh man. This feels like plastic. Thought this was supposed to be metal on metal. I don't know. I'm confused on this one. I think that might be plastic. The verdict is out on that. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you have this one. Is the Corvette metal on plastic? I don't know why. Feels like metal, but then when I touch it here, and the way it sounds. That'd be something if now they're telling you it's metal on metal and it's metal on plastic. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I don't know. It's just sometimes the paint makes it feel different depending on the paint they use. Either way, this is a beautiful Corvette. Look at that top view there. All the different graphics on here. Beautiful decorations. Nice tempo work on it. I love the black stripe on the wing back there and the red on the side. We have the American flag on the door. C8r. Here's the hood. It's beautiful. Really nice hood. Looks like we might have some 10 spokes on there. The mirrors are painted in red. I don't see any wipers on there on the windshield, but it is a really clear windshield. You can see inside. Look at that giant dashboard and some really tall bucket seats in there. Man, look at the back end. Beautiful lights. They look really cool. Of course, the farther you get, the better it looks. When you look up close, you see all the little defects or little things in the tampo work. Now they're using that dot system, so when you get close, you see all the dots. But from far away, they look really cool. Not as sharp looking, the colors, when it has those little dots. I think it's the way they're printing it. They keep changing things to make everything more cost efficient. But it's a beautiful car. I love the wheels on it. And the rubber tires look cool. And of course, these don't beat a car on from the main line with plastic tires, I don't think. Even though these have more weight. The plastic tires are really fast on those tracks. On the Hot Wheels track. Beautiful Hot Wheels. Now let's check out that truck really close. There we go. Look at the lights on top. We do have the side view mirrors. Let's see. Do we have any wipers on there? Looks like there might be something. No, I think that's a reflection. Yeah, no wipers. But cool that we have the mirrors. The handles are painted over on the doors. The lights look beautiful. Look really cool. This does feel like metal down here. This is all plastic on the side. All plastic here. Plastic. So the cab is metal and the base is metal. Big bumper is metal. The chrome here in the front is plastic and the lights are plastic. We have plastic lights. This is metal. These do have treads on them. These tires, and they are rubber with the plastic wheels inside. Let's check out the markings on here. Carry On, this is the name. Copyright 2017. There's a P40 stamp there. Hot Wheels logo in the middle. Made in Thailand. Really short axle in front and a wider axle in the back. The tires look to be the same size all around. Really cool. And this one doesn't have any moving features, I don't think. Just ride right up there. Probably need something here to lift it, because looks like you would have to lift it up. Or the car has to be lifted up and be able to drive on a higher platform. The color's cool, gray with the yellow and the black. Really good combination of colors. Nice lights all around. Brake lights, parking lights. Really cool. I like the left side driver there. The steering wheel looks really awesome. Nice bench seat in there. This one's called the Carry-On truck. Really cool. These transport trucks are pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. So we have 3 of those. Let me get them back here. Pretty cool. Let's see. There we go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, checking out the new Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport sets. Really nice sets. I'm so happy I got all 3 at once. Don't have to keep looking for them. They're kind of hard to find sometimes. All right, guys, leave your comments. I love reading your comments. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video. And subscribe if you're new here. Subscribe. Don't want to miss out. I have over 700 diecast car videos on my channel. So if you subscribe, you'll be... my videos will actually surface more on your feed. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.